morning. So today is the 14th of September and Ellis is about to go to nursery for the first time. His proper full day, not just settling in a couple of hours that he's been doing last week. He's doing full on, I don't know how many hours, we're going to do 10 till 5 I think today. How many hours that is. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And so my task for today and tomorrow while he's at nursery is to do as much as possible in the house, because I haven't been able to do anything whilst Ellis has been here, obviously, because he takes up a lot of time. And I'm just going to see, I'm going to put a challenge on myself on how much I can actually get done in 2 days while my child's at nursery. So yeah, right, I've got to take him to nursery first and then we'll go from there. Job 1 done. Clean my makeup brushes. Need to clean this bathroom. That can be done later. Ellis is obviously at nursery now, so I'm now going to go to Aldi and buy some food because we don't have any. Sean is working, so unfortunately I have to go alone.
Oh, sorry. Anyway,
best get going. I just wasted about 25 minutes trying to write an Instagram post and I couldn't do it, so I give up. 3, 2, 1. Right, I've put most of the stuff away. I hate putting food away after a shop, so I've done it. It's out the way. I've now had lunch, which was just basically some leftover bits. Ignore that, I can't be bothered to put that stuff away. That can be done later. So now I've had lunch, I'm going to start cleaning some stuff around the house. Just as a small disclaimer, Sean does help out a lot. But obviously today he is working and I am not, and I haven't got anyone to look after, so I'm just gonna tidy up basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and clean the bathroom because that's the first on my to-do list, and then I need to clean Ellis's room, which I can never manage to do because he's always in there, and whenever I have a moment to clean his room he's asleep, so I'm gonna do that as well. I've got my Rebel Milk iced coffee. It's absolutely boiling today. It's September, not sure how I feel about it, but let's go. I'm flagging, I can't be bothered. Ugh. I've done his room, but I now need to continue with the cleaning, because like as I'm on a roll, tomorrow he's at nursery as well, but tomorrow I want to do some other bits that are just like more admin bits and not house cleaning stuff. So I just want to get the house done. I'm just looking, I need to do the bathroom, that is a priority, but I'm just looking around my room, mine and Sean's room, and it is a dump. That's my what's it called, table where I dump stuff, my makeup table. I've got loads of stuff down here which I need to put on eBay, but I'm not going to be doing that today. Just laundry's put away. There's just so much to do in this room, so I'm just gonna do this room. I hate cleaning this room. Something I really hate doing, I'm sorry, I'm holding on a really awkward tripod. Something I really hate doing in here is cleaning the beds, because we've got this like we've got this like velvet headboard, is that the right word? Yeah, headboard, and although it looks quite good, it gathers dust, and so you've got to go across it with one of those sticky roller things to get the dust off, and I hate that job. Oh, so boring. But yeah, I'm just going to try and crack on. I've got Ellis's nappies to put away because we do cloth nappying whenever, as much as we can, and I need to stuff them and put them away, put bedding away. Oh, I need to do this room and the bathroom, and then I'm done with the cleaning essentially, because downstairs isn't too bad. And we're getting on. Going to Aldi took a lot of time. It's 2:30, so I've got like 2.5 hours. I can do it, that's fine. Everything is taking forever. Oh, so annoying. Right, my room is done. Ellis's room is done. The room I'm in now, I cleaned the other day, so it just needs maybe a little bit of a hoover, that's it. And there's the bathroom, and then I'm done. Oh my god, I didn't realise that like I had so much time because Ellis is at nursery, but why does tidying take so long? Oh. Anyway, right, gonna do the bathroom. Hopefully that won't take very long because it's not a very big room. I am hot. Super cleaning for the day. I can't be bothered to do any more tidying. Well, I can't bother any more cleaning. I still need to tidy up some bits like the kitchen nuts and stuff, and that's the dog food needs refilling and needs to go away, but I can't be bothered right now. What I'm gonna do though, something even more exciting, is grind up some flax seeds. They're in the blender ready to go. I'm just going to grind them up, because if you didn't know, the human body cannot digest whole flax seeds, so you have to grind them up, otherwise there's just no point in eating them. So yeah, you need to mill them or grind them up so your body can absorb them, and they've got very good omegas in them. I don't know which numbers, but apparently they're very, 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 very good for you. So I'm going to do that now because it's easy, and then once I've done that I'm going to go and sit down because I need to go pick Ellis up in 40 minutes. Dun dun dun! God, time flies when you're tidying. Great. All done in my pickled cucumber jar. Great. Okay, that's it. The final job I'm going to do. I'm going to freeze the bananas I bought from Aldi. I bought loads of bananas from Aldi today. Some are green, fruit fly, go away. Some are green and some are a bit bruised. For two reasons I bought them. One, because I feel bad for the banana. You just know that they'll probably never get bought and then go in the bin. So I feel bad for the banana. Also, I'm going to freeze them anyway because we use them in smoothies. So I may as well just shove them in the freezer now. Saves them from getting any more battered and bruised. Straight in the freezer. Done. Do you want a treat, Kiva? Do you want a treat? Oh, are you gonna sit down? I know you're gonna twist. Good job. And the last one, we'll do snoot. Snoot. Good job. There you go. Ah, sitting down. I've just had an Aldi no pork sausage roll. Trying to show the package. That's what it tastes fine. Tastes delicious if you ask me. Just sort of sat here. It's 4:30. I'm going to leave to pick him up in a minute. Him being Ellis, obviously. It's been good being busy all day, because I think if I wasn't busy I would have missed him a lot, because now I know I'm going to pick him up in a minute. I'm like, oh, can't wait to go get him. So I'm looking forward. I'm thinking, should I go now? But it's like, no, let me wait till closer to 5, because let him carry on with whatever he's up to. We don't want to interrupt and if he's having fun, although I'm sure he's probably very tired. So I've got 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. You know what I'm going to do for 10-15 minutes? Put photos in an album. I have a box of photos. Loads of them. So I'm going to just start doing a couple of those, because it's one of those jobs that's really boring. So I can do that for 10 minutes, keep me entertained, and then I'll go get him. I'm excited. Day 2 of Ellis being at nursery, and day 2 of seeing how much I can get done. So yes, I did quite a lot of cleaning, and today there's not so much cleaning to do. The living room does need to be cleaned, but Sean is working in there at the minute, so I'm not going to start that. I'm just going to do some admin stuff on my computer. Also, I've got to read a book. I do need to do some sort of exercise, but I've already showered. So I don't know if I've messed that up for the day. I'll maybe see about it later, see how I feel. But yeah, I don't know what I want to do. I've got a long list of things. I'll look through it, but I've got a bit of a headache, so that doesn't help. But yeah, let's see what I can get done. Right, I have not been productive for the past 2 hours. Time not well spent. What I am doing though is I'm just making myself some lunch, which is basically a jacket potato, but because our microwave is absolutely shocking, can't do jacket potatoes. I'm not going to be waiting for an hour plus for it to be in the oven. So I'm just boiling some potatoes, and I'm going to have boiled potatoes, spaghetti hoops, because that's how I am, and I'm apparently 8 years old. What I have been doing though, is it's a really stupid job that is just really boring and no one wants to do it ever. So basically, here's my tea lights. I found out recently that tea lights can be recycled. Because they are metal, they can be recycled. So I have the fun job of, here's a tea light. Getting all the wax out of it. That was a nice one. That then goes in the recycling. And this goes in my bag of wax, which I then post to a wax recycling company. I'll leave their information down below. I think it's called the Recycled Candle Company, and you can just post them. I mean, you can post them the tea lights as well, but it's obviously more postage, more packaging required, and you've obviously got to pay for the postage because it's a charity, recycling charity. And you can send them your old wax. This is from tea lights and also from wax melts. You send that to them and then they'll recycle it, which is very, very useful. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Again, it's a job where I'm just like, what a boring job to do, but it's the sort of thing that I will just build up and build up and build up until I've got 4 million tea lights I need doing. So while my potatoes are boiling, I'm doing that. What a time to be alive. Right, so I'm back on my desk. I have my lunch. I've just made, or I've put in the oven, some sweet potato fries for Ellis, just for later this evening or for tomorrow lunchtime. Ignore the mess that Ellis made this morning. I can't be bothered to put that away right now. I'm going to put an app on my phone. It's called Forest, and it basically means that you can't use your phone while the app is running. I'm going to put it on, I think, maybe for an hour. So it means for an hour I cannot look at my phone, can't look at Instagram, although you can look at Instagram on your computer, but that's beside the point. And I'm just going to crack on with some bits on my computer I need to do. So one thing I need to do is that a couple of, well, probably at the beginning of the year, I signed up for an online nutritionalist course, which is like, you know, it was only £30. It wasn't exactly, you know, super expensive, and it's just an online do it when you have a spare minute course. I'm not really sure what you get at the end of it, but I just thought it'd be quite a good way to keep on learning. And I completely forgot I signed up for this course. I've completed 4 modules already, but I haven't done anything for about 2 months, and so I need to start back at that again, because otherwise it's a waste of money if I don't complete it. Put the thing on my phone for an hour and then get some stuff done. I need to clean the stairs as well. Really boring job, but I need to clean the stairs because they just gather all the dirt. What fun! I've got to go pick them up in 45 minutes. I've done 2 modules, that's better than nothing. So for my final hour, 45 minutes, I'm gonna just go around the house, tidy up a few bits, and that'll be it for my 2 days of child-free time. Just realised I'm going to have to sort out his clothes actually, because Ellis is 13 months old now, and he is still in majority 9 to 12 months clothes, but his vests, there's time for them to be put away because he's definitely now in 12 to 18 vests. So actually, a lot of these is going to go away. A tiny baby. It's not even that tiny, but oh my god, it's weird. It's just when they go up a clothes size, it's like a chapter closing. It's a really weird sort of thought process, but you're like, oh, he's now in bigger clothes. And then he gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until he turns into a big old man. Sort of job that I never can get around to do, because obviously when I've got the time to put his clothes away, he's napping. And I can't obviously put his clothes away in his room while he's napping. So yeah, I'll do it now. That didn't take as long as I thought it would, so I'm just going to sit down and read my book for, well, so I've got to go pick him up. It's 4:20 now, so yeah. It's been a very random video, and I hope it actually amounts to something. It's not just a really boring video to watch. But if you have enjoyed this video and you like these more sort of like day in the life kind of vlogs, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and yeah, I guess that'll be it for this week's video. I'm just going to read my book, and I will see you next time for another vlog or sit down chatty video. Anyway, bye.